Welcome. Today we are looking at this AMZCHEF 2000W grill. They call this the 3-in-1 health grill. If I just point this out over here, this model has the waffle plate with it, but you could get one without the waffle plate as well. This was very kindly provided to me free of charge. They did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither was I paid for this review. Okay, before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. Instruction manual, it's well written this. I just wanted to show you this page here. If I just flip through there, it's letting us know the temperature and the time range. You have the option of using both of the grill, upper grill or lower grill. They go from 30 seconds to 60 minutes. Included is a recipe booklet. Some of these recipes look really delicious. We get 2 waffle, the non-stick. That's what they look like from the bottom. The grill at the back, it has a drip tray. To remove the drip tray, we need to remove this tape first. That just slides out. It does have a max line there. On this side, we have a fixed cable. Because I'm in the UK, mine is a 3-pin one. It has a decent length. I don't know how long it is. I think it's 1.5 meters. It is longer than most of the kitchen appliances I've used. To release the grill plate, just push this here. It's open. So it looks like from the bottom. And that's non-stick as well. That would get released by this button here. Push that. So you could use this grill flat as well, as you see. The plates are really easy to swap around, or if you want to wash them, then you can put them back in. They're simple. Just line them up with them 2 at the back, and you've got these 2 there. You just push it down. It is a nice looking grill, this. It would fit in any kitchen, and it doesn't take up that much room as well. By the way, they say this is a family size grill. So if I push lower grill, it lights up to let you know that you're using the lower grill. We've got the temperature there, time. So to control the temperature, we just turn this dial around. And push it in, and then we could control the time. So I just leave it as it is, and I push start. It's saying pre. That's letting us know it's preheating. Turn that off. You could do both grills. Upper grill. Nice and simple to use. Okay, I'll wash the plates and we'll get on with some cooking. Very quickly, I forgot to show you when I was showing you the grill plates. When you turn them over the other side, that's where your flat plates are. So for doing things like eggs, pancakes. The first thing we are preparing is a chicken wrap. I know it says 5 minutes on there, but I'm going to check it before that. Just having a look. Yeah, that's pretty much done because I like mine nice and crunchy, as you can see there. Just get a knife, so I'll show you the inside of that. Just to show you the inside. So I left it slightly longer than 30 seconds, but Our mixture was already warm, so if your mixture is cold, you will need to leave it in slightly longer, otherwise the food from inside will stay cold. Now we are making a spicy cheese toastie. The temperature I've left at 175 and 4 minutes, but I will be checking in between. We have put butter on both sides of the bread. Just to show, this is Warburton's thick sliced bread. So move that over to a side, you can get another one in there as well. So you could get 4 pieces of bread on there. I don't know if you can pick that sound up, it's sizzling. So I'm going to lift it up now. So as you can see, when I've lifted the grill up, the time is still running. It's not ready yet, so I'm going to leave it for maybe another minute. It's all trial and error with cooking equipment and personal preference. For me, that's perfect. So I'm going to press cancel. Just flip it over while I've got it. I'll just show you the other side. For me, that's perfect. Just to show the inside of the toastie, that looks delicious. We are making some waffles now, and as it said in the instruction booklet, 150 temperature and 5 minutes for the time. Right. So as you can see, we have made different types of foods here that look delicious, and you can make much more. This grill isn't bulky, so it will fit in any kitchen. The fact that it comes with waffle plates is a bonus, because you could get rid of your waffle maker and just use this instead. It has grill plates on one side, as you've seen, and flat plates on other side. So there again, you are saving space with this. So that's why they call this the 3-in-1 health grill. It's really easy to operate. The fact that you could just use lower grill, upper grill, or both is another good feature. The temperature and timer is controlled by the dial, which is really easy to use even by an elderly person. It's really easy to clean. Majority of the times when you finished cooking, you just use a damp cloth and the plates are clean. If they do need washing, you just need some washing up soap, and that's it, no scrubbing necessary. So overall, we think it's a really good piece of kit. Thank you to AMZCHEF for sending me this out. If you found the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below, and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.